Wala nang gas.
Ano lang. Ano ba yan?
Wala nang gas.
Lighter ba yan?
Hindi.
Puro ilong.
That's what they know. But I keep cruising. Can't stop, won't stop moving. It's like I got this music in my heart, and it's gonna be alright. Tumatawid yung daga.
Saan?
Ayun na.
Saan? Ay, hindi ko nakita.
Shake, shake, shake.
Ay, oo.
Good citizen.
Tumawid talaga na taga. Oo, hindi mo nakita. Nandun lang.
Nakita ako tumawid yung daga.
Na-capture ko ba yan sa video?
Stop na eh.
Tumawid.
Stop eh.
Mali siya, hindi to pedestrian.
Good citizen.
Hindi to roxing. Yung jackpot ni Daddy. Mag-check-in na tayo sa favorite place on earth ni Daddy.
Casino.
Mag-check-in ng late. Pearl Wing. Wala ba kami? Dito na lang.
My ex-man birth's new girlfriend. She's like, oh my god, I'm just gonna shake it to the fire over there when I have to get it. Shake, shake, shake. Yeah, oh, let's go play, 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 play. Hey, la la la, hey.
Nagumaya pa si Kuya.
Kilala mo si Dad. Asan yung aso?
Vlog.
Tulog. Huwag ka magtalaro-laro ng baril-baril dito.
Akala yan tunay.
Shake, shake, shake.
Kumahagi tayo sa camera. Akala
Shake
tunay.
it off.
Bangang
Shake it
tayo.
off. Shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off.
Pearl Wing. Pearl.
Meron pa bang light show? Wala na. Shake it off. Shake it off. O, baba na, Karel. Kuha ka ng plan. Ikaw!
Karel.
Dito na lang nagagawa shampoo nila.
Ito
No?
yun, oh.
Shampoo ni Lola.
Nagbibintang naman. Wala, pag yung pagkain natin mapanis.
Meron tayong free room.
Wala, yung eat.
Oo.
With
May
a...
table.
Ah,
May table.
Wala.
Dalawa pa, anak.
Ano gusto mo dyan?
Sa metal, isa.
sa wood.
Sa wood.
Don't ask me, I'll never tell. I look to you as a friend, and now you're in my way. Traded my soul for a wish, pennies and dimes for a kiss. I wasn't looking for this, and now you're in my way. Your stare is holding, ripped jeans, skin is showing hot now. When I think you're going, baby. Hey, I just met you.
Kaya napapagana na.
Crazy.
Sali ka na rin sa kanila. Okay lang naman yun.
So call me baby. And I look up.
Gusto na makisabay ng kanta eh. Baka lang kasi makurot ni Ma.